Today I am going to show you the easiest way to create this level of realistic AI influencers for free. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we need a source image of model. So let's create our own model. For that, go to Pinterest. Here you will find lots of influencer models. Just select anyone you like and download the image. Now head over to the Low Art AI. They give you 30 free credits daily, which is more than enough for us. Click on the plus icon, then click on image generator. Here, upload the image we just downloaded and select the Nano Banana Pro. Set the resolution to 2K and change the aspect ratio to 3:4. Now write this prompt. This prompt is available in the description. After that, click on generate. And just like that, we get our own AI influencer. We can do anything with it. Next, we are going to give her motion. She can dance, lip sync, or do anything you like. For this, head over to the Pinterest again and download any kind of video you want your influencer to recreate, like this one. Simply copy the video link and paste it here. Then click on download. Now I have this video and I want my influencer to do the same action. So head over to the frame extractor and upload the video we just downloaded. Set the frame number to 1 and click on extract. After that, click on download. Now once again, head over to Low Art and click on image generator. Upload both images, the model image and the frame we just extracted from the video. Then write this prompt. Image 2 is posing and dressing like image 1. Select the resolution 2K and set the aspect ratio to 3:4 and click on create. And here we have our final image. Just download it. Now head over to the KI AI and sign in with your Google account. Click on API Market, then scroll down and select Cling Motion Control. Remove the default image and upload our AI influencer image here. Then remove the default video and upload the video we downloaded from Pinterest. Delete the prompt. And 720p resolution is more than enough for us. Now click on run and it will start creating the video. Let me download this. And here you can see the result. It looks super realistic and the motion is really smooth and cool. So that's it for today, guys. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.